Imagine the serenity of nature, the crackle of a campfire, and the starry night sky. But before we embark on this adventure, let's ensure we're well prepared. Our home away from home begins with a sturdy tent, complete with stakes and guy lines to withstand the elements. A sleeping bag tailored to the weather, a cushioning sleeping pad or air mattress, and a familiar pillow or camping-specific pillow will cradle us into a restful slumber after a day of exploration. Dress for success in nature's unpredictable theater. Layered clothing allows us to adapt to changing temperatures. A waterproof jacket and pants are our armor against rain, while sturdy boots protect our steps. Don't forget extra socks and underwear, and for chilly evenings, a hat and gloves are essential. If a dip in a lake entices, pack swimwear too. No camping trip is complete without the sizzle of a meal over a flame. A portable stove or campfire gear, fuel or firewood, and cooking utensils like a pot, pan, and spatula turn raw ingredients into hearty meals. Non-perishable foods, snacks, and beverages fill our bellies, while a cooler with ice packs keeps perishables fresh. Eating utensils and plates are the final touch for a civilized feast in the wild. Staying hydrated is key, so a sufficient water supply is a must, be it bottled or water bottles or a hydration pack, along with purification tablets or a filter. Ensure for peace of mind, pack a first aid kit, a multi-tool or knife, and navigation aids like a map, compass, or GPS. A whistle or signaling device, along with emergency contact information, keeps us secure. As night falls, a headlamp or flashlight with extra batteries and a lantern illuminate our campsite. Personal items like sunscreen, insect repellent, toiletries, and a towel maintain our comfort and hygiene. Prescription medications and eyewear are not to be overlooked, ensuring our health and clarity of sight are uncompromised. For leisure, portable seating, books, games, or fishing gear enrich our outdoor experience while there. And to leave no trace behind but memories, carry camping permits, cash or payment cards for unforeseen expenses, a cell phone with a portable charger for connectivity, and a camera or smartphone to capture the moments that matter.